Hi, I'm Helen Coupland-Smith from Time2 Resources. This video will help you to understand credit notes. If you want to complete the credit note as you follow the video, download the PDF blank credit note. The details are available in the description box below. Sometimes a customer may not be 100% satisfied with the goods they've received. Maybe they're damaged or faulty. Maybe they've just ordered the wrong items. If this is the case, they will have the right to return the goods to the supplier. When goods are returned, the supplier will issue a credit note. This is sent by the supplier to the customer to issue a refund or cancel an invoice when goods have been returned. Here we can see a blank credit note. There will be a unique reference that the supplier will keep as part of their financial records, and it will also reference the purchase order number that the goods were supplied on initially. In this case, the customer has returned 5 of the glass latte mugs. The reason for returning them is they were faulty. The latte mugs were £3 each. The supplier needs to know how much credit to give to the customer, so they need to calculate the total by multiplying the quantity by the unit price, but then they will also need to subtract the 5% discount to get the subtotal and add the 20% VAT in order to calculate exactly how much is owed to the customer. Why not pause the video now and see if you can complete the rest of the credit note. You should have calculated that the total for the 5 returned mugs was £15. When we multiply the 15 by 0.05, we get a discount of 75 pence. The subtotal therefore is the £15 minus the 75 pence to give us £14.25. We then need to calculate the VAT of 20%, so we multiply the 14.25 by 0.20. This gives us a VAT amount of £2.85. To get the total value of the credit, we take the 14.25 subtotal and add the £2.85 VAT. The supplier has to issue a credit note for £17.10. The customer returned goods to the supplier. The supplier therefore issued a credit note. The credit note showed the supplier's reference number, the date the credit was issued, the purchase order number that the goods were supplied to originally, description of the items returned and why they were returned, and the amount of the credit note. Thank you for listening and watching this video on understanding credit notes. Remember, this is one in our series of understanding the flow of financial documents.